If you're ready to upgrade from non-stick to stainless clad cookware, here's everything you need to know. Hey, it's Rhoda. I'm in the Maiden studio, and today I'm going to teach you why and how to switch from non-stick to stainless clad cookware. Why make the change? If you're used to the easy release of non-stick, why bother? The truth is, traditional non-stick cookware can degrade over time with heavy use, and some brands' pans can even release harmful chemicals. On the other hand, stainless clad cookware lasts longer, performs better, and is free of coatings. Here are 3 reasons why you should consider the switch. Durability. Non-stick pans are convenient, but they tend to wear out over time, whereas stainless clad pans are built to last. They won't flake, they won't warp, they won't deteriorate. They're oven safe, resistant to corrosion, and metal utensil friendly. You can buy one pan and it will last you for decades. Performance. Stainless clad can handle any heat and any ingredient you want to use. It's one of the best materials for searing steak, browning chicken, or building flavorful sauces. If you ever wondered why food tastes better in restaurants, it's because most professional kitchens are fully stocked with stainless clad cookware. Chemical-free. Stainless clad cookware is chemical-free, non-reactive, and safe when heated to high temperatures. Having no coatings on stainless clad cookware means there's nothing between your pan and your ingredients. That provides a really clean cooking surface. Now let's talk about how to make that switch. Learning how to use stainless clad cookware can feel daunting. People worry about food sticking, they worry about how to clean it, but it's easier than you think. Here's how to make the switch with confidence. Choose quality construction. Let me tell you, not all stainless clad cookware is created equal. Maiden's 5-ply stainless clad cookware is crafted in US and Italy and is trusted by chefs around the world. That layered construction provides fewer hot spots, even heating, and precise temperature control. Preheat like a pro. Okay, listen up. This is the most important part. You need to preheat your pans. Most of the sticking that happens in stainless clad cookware is from pans that are not properly preheated. Unlike nonstick pans that rely on coatings, stainless achieves its nonstick properties through proper preheating technique and a little practice. First, you're gonna preheat your pan, empty over medium. You don't need to crank your heat all the way up to high, and you're gonna let it preheat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, to check to see if your pan is the right temperature, you're gonna perform what's called the water bead test. And this is really cool. You're gonna drop a little bit of water into your pan. If it just kind of sits there and simmers, it's not hot enough. If it turns into a marble and glides across the surface, bouncing around, then it's the perfect temperature. If it hits the pan and explodes into 1,000 tiny droplets, your pan is too hot and you need to turn it down a little bit. Cook with confidence. Next, you're gonna add enough fat. Once your pan is properly preheated, it's time to add either your oil or your butter. You might want to use a little bit more than you usually use when cooking with non-stick, and you're gonna swirl it around to coat the base of your pan. That's gonna help create a barrier between your pan and your food. Finally, add your food. You're gonna carefully place your food in the pan. If it's a large piece of protein, lay it away from you, and don't rush the flip. Some sticking is actually okay. It doesn't mean you did anything wrong if your food starts to stick to your pan. That means it's developing a crust. That's the Maillard reaction happening. It will develop a crust and then it will release from the pan, and it's gonna let you know when it's time to turn it over. To get a feel for this material, if it's new for you, choose foods that are gonna release easily. So steak, skin on chicken, or even sauteed vegetables. Then you can move on to something a little bit more challenging like pancakes or eggs. Cleaning and care. Unlike finicky nonstick coatings, stainless clad cookware is incredibly forgiving while cleaning. Start with using warm water and mild soap, and if there's some more stubborn stuck-on bits, you can try a stainless scrubber and or stainless cleaner. If that still doesn't work, you can put some soapy water over heat and just kind of scrape those bits off the bottom of the pan. If you have rainbow tint, try using white distilled vinegar and then just rinse that out. And always make sure to dry your stainless clad pans thoroughly. That can help prevent water spots and maintain their shine. Okay, we went over why and also how to make the switch from non-stick to stainless clad cookware. We talked about choosing quality construction, preheating like a pro, cooking with confidence, and cleaning with care. Switching from non-stick to stainless clad cookware is one of the best investments you can make for durability, performance, and total peace of mind. Please, if you have any questions, any comments, hit me up below. I'm Rhoda from Maiden, and I'll see you next time.